We're continuing to follow our breaking news out of New York. Vice presidential candidate Mike Pence's campaign plane slid off the runway after landing at LaGuardia Airport. As you can see, there is very heavy rain there right now. NBC News is reporting this, and they're also reporting that all of the passengers, including the Indiana governor, are okay. The governor was checked to make sure that he was fine, and that's according to an NBC campaign embed. Emergency crews were on site, but no injuries immediately reported. Again, very heavy rain in New York right now, and I believe the airport may be shut down, or at least that portion, certainly because of the emergency situation, but visibility is said to be very poor, and of course we'll continue to update this story. And turning to our own weather, we didn't get rain like that, but it's here. Yeah,
they're expecting rain and then I think some snow. You know, I just kind of glance
so it's a
around.
Winter-like
exactly.
storm.
It's going to be very much like winter, especially, you know, so they might even start throwing around the term nor'easter, even though it's technically not that. But when they get snow, sometimes people jump the gun on that.
Yeah.
But so they may say things like that. But for us, this feels like a winter storm too. With at least the amount of rainfall that we're going to get.
It's not terribly cold.
No, and it won't be cold until Sunday.
All right.
And then you may be shocked at how cold it gets, how quick, because this one is coming from the south. The next one comes from the north.
I see.
So let's take a look at where we are currently. We're at 70 degrees, very warm. Notice Porterville. 80 degrees still. 67 in Madera, 68 in Merced, 74 in Hanford and Visalia, as well as Lemoore. Rainfall amounts, okay, we haven't exactly you know, gotten an incredible amount of rain, but when I was driving into work, there was a good amount of rain in the north part of town, north part of Fresno, and so there is only 1/100 of an inch of rain falling at the airport, and same for Madera and every place else. Nothing yet, but radar doesn't lie, does it? We've got a lot of showers that have moved through. They've been fairly light for now, for the most part, and we're starting to see some showers up and even into the mountains and very high elevation snow. 10,000 feet elevation snow is not going to be out of the question for the storm maker because we're still looking to the south and what's left of Seymour throwing a lot of moisture. And now you see this big blob, and this is going to be moving across. When you get green, that means lighter showers. Yellow will mean more intense showers, and the most intense would be red, and that isn't quite that bad just yet, but it looks like this wave of moisture is coming our way tonight. And according to Futurecast, if we get a lot of rain tonight and into tomorrow, it won't be continuous, but we'll have some periods of very heavy rain tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So we can't rule out showers even throughout the day into the afternoon. Here's another look at Futurecast and applying some numbers. Notice almost a full inch of rain by Friday morning early and only 1/1300ths in Fresno. So we're not expecting an incredible amount, but a full inch of rain in Merced is not out of the question. Almost a ½ inch of rain for Fresno, more than an inch for Shaver Lake, and it'll be rain at Shaver Lake, by the way. It's, again, the snow level at about 10,000 feet. Forecast for tomorrow in Fresno and Clovis, you can expect a high temperature of reaching 72. So off and on showers through Friday, more showers on Sunday. The implication is there's going to be a break in the showers on Saturday. We're up to 75 degrees. There's another round of showers, and notice how much cooler it gets, down to 68 degrees. On Halloween, it'll be dry, but 66 the high and 65 on Tuesday of next week. So some cooler air is definitely coming our way. We get a little bit warmer with a little more sunshine towards midweek. We're back into the lower 70s, which is at least a little closer to normal. Regional forecast available on our website at yourcentralvalley.com, so do go check it out there. But rainfall amounts, it still looks good that at least a ½ inch of rain for the first one. Second one looks like maybe not as much rain, but the snow level starting at 10,000 feet, will drop to 7,500 feet on the second storm.
Well, that's good.
That is good, yeah.
All right. Thanks, AJ.